Why do some people work hard their whole lives but never get ahead? It's usually not because of their income, but because of these 5 deadly financial mistakes. Today, we break the cycle of poverty and start building real wealth. The trap of convenience. In America, we pay a massive convenience tax. Ordering DoorDash because you're tired or buying pre-cut fruit because it's faster can cost you $300 a month. Wealthy people prioritize their future over a few minutes of laziness. Stop trading your long-term freedom for short-term comfort. Ignoring small expenses. We often worry about big purchases, but ignore the $10 daily lunch or the $5 streaming service we don't watch. These micro leaks drain your bank account. If you save just $10 a day and invest it, that becomes $300 a month, which could grow to over $100,000 in 15 years thanks to compound interest. Paying yourself last. Most people get paid, pay their bills, go shopping, and then save whatever is left. Usually, nothing is left. The secret of the rich is to pay yourself first. Move 10 to 20% of your paycheck to savings the second it hits your account. Treat your savings like a bill you must pay. High interest debt. Keeping a balance on your credit card is a financial emergency. With interest rates often above 20%, you are paying the bank for the privilege of being broke. You cannot build wealth while paying someone else 20% interest on your sneakers or dinners. Lack of financial education. The biggest mistake is thinking you don't need to learn about money. Money is a tool. If you don't know how to use it, someone else will use it against you. Tomorrow, for day 12, we dive deep into the credit card trap and how to escape it for good.